Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav has taken the BJP head-on in Bihar over the issue of giving quota, the 10% quota, to the poor in the general category. Well, the BJP knows that this is going to be a problem for it. It can ill afford the RJD polarizing the backward class votes against the BJP in a state like Bihar, where we know the backward classes are an important electorate. For this, the party has decided to call a meeting of all of its OBC leaders, right down from the block level, ward level, district level, as well as senior state leaders on the 15th and 16th of February, to be able to communicate to them what the party has done for what it believes it has done for the backward classes, and how they should send this message out to the voters throughout the state and right on the ground. This meeting will be addressed by senior leaders like Party President Amit Shah. Well, this is a problem that the BJP is going to encounter not just in Bihar but in several other states as well, where it has a serious stake. The BJP is well aware of it. States like Maharashtra, states like Uttar Pradesh, or even heartland states like Rajasthan or Madhya Pradesh, where OBCs, where scheduled castes form an important part of the electorate, the party is at great pains to explain to them that the 10% quota the centre brought in does not in any way interfere with the existing share of quotas for these classes, and what the centre and what the government, what the Modi government has done for the OBCs, for the scheduled castes. This includes granting the constitutional status to the OBC Commission besides other steps. So essentially the party has prepared an 8-point agenda which it believes highlights all the steps taken by the Modi government for the benefit of the backward classes, for the benefit of scheduled castes, and this is something the party wants to communicate to the voter ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. As I said, these are important states, these are important electorates, and the party has been trying very hard and very consciously for the last few years to move away from being just an upper caste party to having a more widespread, to having a more expanded social base, having a more expanded electorate. And the party knows that this message has to go down to the voter, and the best way to do it is through its leaders, it's through its workers and through its cadre. We've seen Prime Minister Narendra Modi also constantly talking about it in rallies, explaining how this quota is over and above the existing quota and how there's fear mongering, as he calls it, happening. And this is something we can expect the party to do beyond Bihar as well. For now the plan is for Bihar, but we can expect it to do beyond Bihar in other states. This strategy of calling all its workers and cadre, talking to them, explaining what the party has done and what message to give out to backward class voters as well as scheduled castes in these states. For The Print, this is Ruhi Tiwari.